Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Voyage Aeronautics. First, navigate to the Voyage Aeronautics website and create your new user account. It's a quick process, just requiring basic information. Once registered, check your email for a verification link to activate your account. After successful verification, download the official Voyage Aeronautics application to your preferred device. Make sure your device meets the specified system requirements for optimal performance. Now let's get your device connected. Open the Voyage Aeronautics application you just installed. Ensure your mobile device's Bluetooth is enabled, as this is crucial for discovery. Within the app, look for an option like Add New Device or Connect Hardware. The application will then guide you through the pairing process, often involving a simple button press on your Voyage Aeronautics hardware. Confirm the connection when prompted. With your device paired, it's time to establish a network connection. Use the app to connect your Voyage Aeronautics device to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is essential for accessing all features and receiving important updates. Always check for and install any available software updates right away. These updates often include performance enhancements and critical security patches. Remember to restart your device after the updates finish. Before your first use, take a moment to review the comprehensive user manual for important safety guidelines and operational procedures. Always perform a quick pre-flight or pre-use check to ensure everything is ready. The Voyage Aeronautics app also offers helpful tutorials to guide you through more advanced features. If you encounter any technical difficulties or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to their dedicated customer support team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.